Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to verify your Walmart Marketplace account and get you set up for success. Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we're going to cover everything you need to know to verify your Walmart Marketplace account quickly and without hassle. First, visit the official Walmart Marketplace seller registration page and log in with your credentials. If you haven't created an account, yet you will need to sign up by filling out all required business information. Once logged in, click on the verification section, where Walmart requests specific documents to confirm your identity and business legitimacy. The documents typically include your business tax identification number, a government-issued ID or passport, and proof of your bank account details. Carefully prepare scanned copies or clear photos of these documents. Prioritize quality images for smooth verification. After uploading the required documents, the system will prompt you to provide additional information such as your business address, contact details, and payment preferences. Double-check all the information for accuracy to avoid delays. Next, proceed to submit your documents and wait for Walmart's verification team to review everything. This process usually takes a few business days, but can vary depending on demand. Be patient and keep an eye on your email for any communication or requests for more information. If you receive a request for further details, respond promptly. To avoid extended wait times, once your account is verified, you will gain access to Walmart's seller dashboard, where you can start adding products, manage orders, and view sales reports. Remember, maintaining an active and transparent profile helps build trust with Walmart, and its customers always update your information if anything changes to ensure smooth operations. That's the simple way to verify your Walmart Marketplace account and take your e-commerce business to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated with more helpful tips and guides.